Today we're testing out the GoPro 12 with the Enduro battery for longevity. Previous batteries did not last more than 30 minutes at most.
We bought this battery because we needed a solution to have a battery that would last longer so we didn't have to stop every 30 minutes or so to change out the battery. That's if we wanted to capture our whole ride. On this particular ride, we were out for about an hour and 10 minutes or so, and when we hit the car, I still had about 15% battery life left. So finally, we found a viable option with this Enduro battery. While we haven't tested the battery, it does say that it charges quicker, which is great. However, we always have 3 batteries ready to go, so haven't really noticed that. Also, we don't love going out in cold weather, but we are super excited to see that the performance will be drastically better with this battery, so we won't have to worry about numb fingers changing it out when we're out on cold adventures. So overall, we're super happy with our upgrade with the Enduro battery.
For a full description of the trail that we're riding and all of our bike gear, be sure to check out the show description. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, amazing views, and some cool brews.